Today we will study about function overriding and how it is different from function overloading. So let's understand this with the help of an example. Here I have created two classes. One is base class and another is derived class. Derived class is inheriting base class. I have created exactly same functions in both the classes. As you can see, void display in base class and void display in derived class. I have shown a message base display in base class display and I have shown a message derived display in derived class display. Now if I make object of derived class and I try to call display function, then this will always call display function of derived class. In other words, we can say it is overriding base class function, that is base class display function. So this is called function overriding. And it is very much different from function overloading, as function overloading is always implemented within a single class, but function overriding is implemented with inheritance. And also in case of function overloading, the 2 or 3 functions are different in number of arguments, types of arguments or sequence of arguments. But in case of function overriding, the 2 functions are exactly same, but they are present in different classes. One is present in base class and another one is present in derived class. So this is how it is different from function overloading. Thank you.